everyone, welcome back to another tutorial from Tech for Gamers. In this video, I'm going to show you how to add friends in Blockman GO. First of all, open the Blockman GO application on your device, whichever device you are using, whether it is an Android or iOS, and make sure that you are logged into your Blockman GO account. From the home page of Blockman GO, go to the bottom right corner and look for this chat bubble icon and tap on it. You'll then come across this Friends tab where you can easily recruit your family members, add friends, create a group, and so on. So in order to add a friend, tap on the Add Friend button under the Friends tab, and you will then be able to see several other friend suggestions that you can add. If you are looking for a specific player, then you can go to the top of the screen and enter their nickname or their ID and search. In the search results, go and find the person you want to add as a friend and then tap on the plus button underneath their profile avatar. Now click on OK, or you can also type down any other message in the text box and tap on OK to send the friend request to the person. Repeat this process for every other friend request you'd like to send. Simply go ahead and find the person and tap the plus button at the bottom of their avatar, and you'll then be able to send a friend request or add friends in Blockman GO. Once the people that you sent the friend request accepts your request, they'll appear in your friend list. So that is how it's super easily done. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.